How's it going, guys? Right now I just got home from a visit with my mom, and I'm gonna show you. I'm getting 3 things, but one is gonna be a couple days after my birthday. My birthday is May 15th, and it's May, I think, 3rd. So I'm gonna show you 2 things I got at my mom's. Hold on 1 second. Oh god, you probably already know what it is. So one is what I have been bragging about, and they're going viral all over YouTube, and it is a fidget spinner. Yes, it is not fake. It is brand new, right out of the package, and I can do a couple tricks, but not on the last table. I can balance it on 1 finger. Really good. Hold on. Let's see how long I can balance it on 1 finger. Oh god. Hold on, let me restart. Alright. Start a timer. Ah, shoot. Wait, is it 7? Hold on 1 second, guys. 7, yep. So, I'm gonna do so much videos of these. Like, seriously. If you want to know, like, how to clean, like, a bearing, just push down on one side and pull up on the other side. Pops right off. That way you can see a bearing, or you can just spin it like that. So, and then you can just put it back in and snap it back on. And there's a little gap, which that's no problem. I usually put that part of my thumb. Yeah, so, let's time how long. Oh, by the way, I got a new watch too. So, let's time how long. Spin on 1. Hold on, let me restart. So, ready, set, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far, 15 seconds. Alright, let's restart. Oh god. Let's do a fast spin. I suck at spinning these things. Here we go. Let's now. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, a 9, a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, yeah! 2 minutes straight on one finger. Fidget spinner. And the next thing. Hi.
What are you talking to? Are you making a video?
Yeah. You could also spin it on the table. So the next thing I got is a Nerf gun. There's really no thing you can know. One second. Don't want to wreck a Nerf dart. Who cares? I have plenty. No, seriously. Oh, what the heck? Finally. I took the bullets out, so that's why. So, and then you just push two things, pull them out, and then you slide this in, and then you can shoot. But what I like to do if you're trying to ride in style, it doesn't come with one, it comes with two. So Bob, Megan, Dad, you're screwed. Alright, the last thing, I'm going to play with my fidget spinner. Well, I say this. The last thing, for sure getting, I think, and, it has a motor. It has 2 wheels. This is all I know about it. It's multicolored. It's off-road. It's an 80cc. And so it's off-road. It has 2 wheels. It has a motor. It's 80cc. I'm gonna need my chest protector and my helmet. It's multicolored. I don't know if I already said this, so it's gonna be multicolored. 80cc. It has a motor. It has 2 wheels. It's off-road. And I'm guessing it's a dirt bike. What if somebody said that? What if your birthday was coming up on May 15th and you were getting something late and your mom or whoever said all that stuff is describing a dirt bike? Like, what the heck? It's obvious. Foam everywhere. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this fidget video. If you did, feel free to let me know by like a comment. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of these videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And peace. Well, that was a good spin. Peace.